Okay, 90 degrees outside, 100% humidity. It's a hot one in the south today, boys. I love this car. It just shifts and drives so smooth. Alright guys, so today we are going to be putting the console back together in the car so that way it's not all just exposed like that. And we're going to be taking the starter off and getting it ready for when my parts come in tomorrow, because today is Thursday and my parts should be in to fix the starter Friday. So that'll be this weekend's plan, and hopefully you guys will be watching this tomorrow. Probably just another short video, just trying to make some progress, trying to upload some more. Just all in all, trying to get this car back up and running. So we're gonna go to the gym, go get something to eat, and we'll be right back into it with a starter. So stick around. Whew, what's up guys? All right, done with the gym. Just got off the treadmill for a little while, worked out, sweaty. Gonna go get something somewhat healthy to eat, and then we're gonna go dive into this car, take the starter off, put this console on, try and get it put back together so that way when my parts and my starter do come in, we can go ahead and get that fixed pretty quickly and get it put back on the car. So all right guys, so we're out here with the car. What we're going to do today is we're going to get rid of all this shit. I just have little hand towels covering up the hole because I don't have a shift boot yet, but we're going to cover all this back up with the console, which is back there, clean all that up, make it look a lot nicer. Also going to clean up all the crap over there in the passenger seat and over here on the floorboard. And then we need to take off the starter under here, which is 2 bolts. I believe they are 14s. Yeah, they're 14s. And we're gonna take those off and then get the starter off so that way when my parts come in, we can go ahead and put them in. So let me get the tools ready, get up under here, show you what we're working with the starter. Okay, let's see, there's the starter, that little thin strip of blue you can see. That is the sticker on it. But we have to get up under here and remove it. One of the bolts is right here. The other one's a little higher up. That one's gonna be a pain in the ass to get to, but we can do it, I think. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Gotta go to AutoZone. Gotta see how much a 3/8 extension costs, because I need like 3 or 4 of them. It's top starter bolt, pain in the fucking ass to get to. From what I'm reading, really the only way to do it is to get enough extensions to run it from the starter all the way down the end of the transmission, lower the transmission and get an impact on it and just fucking rip it out of there. And yeah, that's the only way it seems like I could fucking do it. I don't know why Toyota makes it to where so much of this stuff you can't do while it's actually in the car. Because dude, it's almost impossible to change a lot of the stuff on this motor while it's in the car. And granted, people are like, oh, well this isn't, you know, this isn't the car that Toyota wanted the 2JZ GTE to be in. Well, it's pretty much the same as the damn GE, and most of the shit is the same, like the starter location. So I don't know how the hell you're supposed to change this crap in the car, because you can't get a wrench on it, you can't get a socket on it, you can't do any of that other than basically what I'm saying, and lowering the transmission and getting like 6 impacts on it, or 6 extensions on it with an impact doesn't necessarily sound like the professional way to do things, but it literally seems like the absolute only way to do it. So anyways, gonna go to AutoZone real quick. All right guys, I bought what they had, so let's see if we can't make this work. I really hope I don't need any more, because this was literally all that the AutoZone had. So we're gonna stack all these 3/8 ones on top of each other and see if it'll work. All right boys, we got the starter out. The old wobbly dobbly here worked. I have one bent extension, so just ignore it, but it actually helped kind of get some angle on it, which is nice. But the old wobbly dobbly worked. The impact, of course, actually the battery died right as we needed to use it, but the old breaker bar here got it off. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to pop this little lid off and replace these contacts, and then the same to the other side right over there, and clean it up, and she should be working again, because those are pretty much the main wear parts on the JZ starters. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the console back in place. All right guys, so we have all this put back together. Still need to order a shift boot and an actual shift knob, and it's that down low because I have the transmission lowered right now. It will sit probably up here. whenever it is actually in here. But everything is in here nice, bolted up. Everything looks a hell of a lot better. And that's probably gonna do it for this video, I think. So we have the starter out. I'm gonna leave it right down here on the floorboard. We're going to clean that boy up and put some new parts in it. Parts should come in tomorrow, so we're probably gonna do it tomorrow after work if they're here. If not, they'll be here Saturday for sure, and we'll definitely do it this weekend and get it back in the car. So yep, let's see, trying to think. All that's left to do now, need a shift boot, need a shift knob. Gotta actually fill the radiator with coolant because I did not do that yet, because I didn't want to waste Toyota red coolant if I wasn't actually going to keep the car in there. I didn't want to like pour it in there and then end up having to pull the motor if something's leaking. So we need to get this thing cranked once the starter is fixed, and then do a leak down test and make sure nothing's leaking. And then once that's fine, we will fill the radiator with coolant and take this thing on a test drive. Yep, got that wire jumped in the engine bay on the harness. So I think pretty much all we gotta do now is just fix the starter for the most part, and that should be all we really got to do to get this thing up and going. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, subscribe for more. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. It really helps the videos like a lot, guys. And I just ask, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Trying to grow this channel, posting twice a week now, hopefully. And yeah, so other than that, guys, hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.